Okay, so this is the second video segment for homework set number 11. Let's do number 13. It says sketch each triangle and then solve the triangle using law of sine. So here's a situation. You have two angles. Let me draw the triangle, any arbitrary triangle here, and label the edges or the vertices A, B, C. We have the angle A, which is this angle is 50 degrees. Okay, and angle B is 68. This angle is 68 degrees, and the side C, which is the side facing the angle C, or AB, okay, length AB, which is the side little c, is this, which is 230 units. So this is the category of problems, angle, side, angle, but it really doesn't matter. We don't care. Okay, so this angle is angle C. Angle C is 180 degrees. Okay, so 180 minus 50 degrees plus 68 degrees. Let me draw this thing as angle like that. Okay, so that you don't make a mistake. You don't take it by mistake as the side. Okay, so this is going to be 180 minus there's an 8 here, there's an 11 there. All right, good. And this is 62 degrees. So this angle is 62 degrees. Okay, so let's find AC. So we have sine of 68 degrees divided by the length AC, okay, equal to sine of, for example, 62 degrees divided by 230, and this is equal to sine of 60 or 50 degrees, sine of 50 degrees divided by side CB. Okay, so if we concentrate, for example, on these two, we immediately get AC. AC is equal to 230 times sine of 68 degrees divided by sine of 62 degrees. Let's go type it in. 230 times sine, I think it was 68, was it not? 68 over 62, sine of 68, close the parentheses, divided by sine of 62, close the parentheses, hit enter, and this is going to be 241.52. 241.52. So this is approximately 241.52. So what we did, we found the side AC. AC was here. We found this side. Okay. The only thing that's left is to find the sine or the side BC right there. We go to this equation and we get BC equal to 230 sine of 50 divided by sine of 62 degrees. Let's type it in. 230 equal to 230 times sine. Now I can't remember. 50 over sine of 62. 50, close the parentheses, divided by sine of 62, close the parentheses, hit enter, and you get 199.54. 199.54. This is approximately 199.54 units. So we just calculated this length. We have found all the sides. We have just found this. We have found all the sides and all the angle. Let's do 14 and 15 in this video segment too. 14 and 15. So erase all of these. delete. Very good. So let's do this. Number 14. So let me draw my triangle again. ABC symbolically. ABC. Okay. We have angle A is 23 degrees. Angle B is 110. This drawing is not right, okay, because that angle is not acute, but we really don't care because as long as we draw the generic one, it shouldn't matter. So the length C is the length facing the angle C. So that means this also means AB, length AB, okay? So anyway, this is 50, okay? Now, first of all, that angle, this is a bad idea because that angle is not acute, but it doesn't matter. So this angle C is equal to 180 minus 110 plus 23. So this is 180 minus 133, and this is going to be 47 degrees. So this angle, I'll draw it with red. This angle is 47 degrees. When you add them up, you should get 180, and you do. Now, let's go ahead and write our law of sine. So we have sine of 23 over the length BC equal to sine of 110 degrees over the length AC equal to sine of 47 degrees over the length AB, which is 50. Okay, so out of these two, I can find AC. AC is equal to 50 sine of 110 divided by sine of 47. Okay, so let's go type it in. There's approximately equal to 50 sine 10 over sine 47. So this is 50 times sine of 110 divided by sine of 47. I think that was the number. 110 over 47, is that correct? 110 over 47, yes, that's correct. Hit enter, and that's a 64.24. 64.24. This is approximately 64.24. And then we find the other one. The only missing side is going to be BC, so we're going to use these two, either these two or the first one, the last one. We just found AC, so we can use that. BC is equal to AC, which is 64.24 times sine of 110. No, sine of sine of 23 divided by sine of 110. Okay, so let's go back. 23 over 110, we go here. So this is going to be multiplied by sine of 23 divided by sine of 110. And that is going to be 26.71, approximately 26.71. And that takes care of all the angles and all the missing edges. Yep. Number 15, let's do number 15 now. Let's get rid of all this stuff here. Okay. All right. Let's do number 15. So here is my generic triangle, sides ABC. We have two angles. We have angle A, which is 30 degrees. We have angle C, that's 65. We have side little b. Side little b means the angle facing angle big B or AC. So AC is that little b, so that is 10. So this is the category of the problem that we call A angle side angle. Okay, but it really doesn't matter. Okay, so let me see now. This angle is going to be angle B is going to be 180 minus 30 plus 65. So this is 180 minus 5 and 9. And this is 80, is it 85? Yeah, 85 degrees. So this angle we found, it's 85 degrees approximately, okay? So let's see what we have. So sine of angle A, which is 30 degrees, divided by side BC that we don't know, equal to sine of the angle B, which is 85, divided by sine, or divided by AC, which is 10, the angle, the length facing it, and this is equal to sine of 65 degrees divided by AB, which is facing that 65-degree angle. So if you look at this, we're going to find BC right away. BC is equal to 10 sine of 30 degrees divided by sine of 85. And this is approximately, all right, let's go do that here. 10 times sine of 30, close the parentheses, divided by sine of 85. Oops, backspace, 85, close the parentheses. And this is going to be 5.09. So this is approximately 5.09. Okay. And now that we have that side, we can, for example, we just found this, right? We just found this thing, it's that number. So we can use, for example, well, I don't know, we can use this to find AB. So AB equal to, we get this equation, AB equal to 10 sine of 65 divided by sine of 85. Okay, 65 over 85. So we go here, 10 times sine of 65. What is that? Sine of 65. Close the parentheses, divided by sine of 85. Close the parentheses. And you're going to get 9.1 if you round it off. What is this? This is approximately 9.1. Okay, so we just found this missing side. All sides and all angles have been found, and we can let's see. All right, so let's go ahead and clean this up. Okay. Let's go to problem number 28. Yeah, problem number 28. Okay, so let me draw my genetic triangle. Did I say 28? What I meant, sorry, problem 19. That's what I meant. 19. Okay, A, B, C. What have we got? little a equal to 28. That means the angle, or the side facing angle A. So this is 28. This is your little a. Okay. And little b equal to 15. Little b means the side facing angle B. So this is 15. Okay. And the angle A is 110. All right. This is of the type side angle. Okay. But it really doesn't matter. So first of all, let's write these things down. So we have sine of A, sine of 110 divided by 28 equal to sine of angle B divided by 15 equal to sine of angle C divided by AB, that we don't know what it is. Okay, good. So let's start with this. Out of that, we can find the angle B. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. We have a sine of B equal to 15 over 28 sine of 110 degrees. These are all degrees. Okay, so B is equal to sine inverse of 15 over 28 times sine of 110. So 15 over 28. We go to our calculator. 15 over 28. 15 is actually sine inverse of that, right? Yeah, it's actually sine inverse of that. So second function, sine inverse 15 divided by 28 times sine of 110. Close and close and enter. So that's going to be 30 degrees, 0.22, 30.2222. So this angle is approximately 30.22 degrees. We found that angle approximately 30.22. Now, what can we do here? We can find the angle C being 180 minus A, which is 110, plus B that we just got, 30.22. Of course, this is approximate, and this is 180 minus 140.22, and this is 30, oh, I don't know, 9.78. Is that correct? Yeah, I think that's correct, degrees. So now that we found angle C, we can go right here, and find the length AB. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have AB equal to 15 times sine of C, which we just got, 39.78 degrees, divided by sine of B. Sine of B was 30.22, divided by sine of 30.22. And we just have to go and type it in. 15 times sine of 39.78. So it's going to be 15 times sine of 39, I can't remember, 39.78, close the parentheses, and then divided by, what was that? Divided by 30.22, sine of 30.22, sine of 30.22, close the parentheses, hit return, and this is going to be 19.06. So this is approximately 19.06 units. We took care of number 20. Let's go ahead and do number 30. Okay. Okay, the only thing that's left in that box is number 20. Let me go and erase this stuff. Okay, we are doing this one, number 20. So my geometric triangles right here, A, B, C. Side little a is 30. That means this is 30. Little a means the side that is facing the angle big A, so that is 30. Side little c equal to 40. That means the side facing angle C, which is this is angle C, so the side facing it is this is 40, and finally the angle A is 37 degrees. Okay, once again this is a side angle. Okay, but it's really irrelevant. So let's write this down. So we have sine of 37 divided by 30 equal to sine of angle C divided by 40 equal to sine of angle B divided by AC. Okay, so from this equation, we're going to find the angle C. So we have sine of C is equal to 30 or 40 over 30 times sine of 37, or simply 4 over 3 sine of 37. So C, by the way, is sine inverse of this guy. So 4 over 3 sine of 37. Okay, let's go type it in. 4 over 3 sine of 37. So second function, 4 over 3 divided by 3 times sine of 37. I think that's what it was. Is that right? Yep. And hit enter. And that value is 53.36. So this is approximately 53.36 degrees. So that angle we found, approximately 53.36 degrees. And we can find immediately angle B. Angle B is equal to 180 minus the C that we found, 53.36, plus the 37, which is angle A. So this is 180 minus, now let's see now, this is 3, so this is 6, sorry, 0.36, okay, and this is 7 plus 3 is 10, and this is 90. Okay, if I didn't make any mistake, that's what it is. Yep, and this is going to be 64 point 89, is that right? 89. So this angle B is 89 degrees, 89.64 degrees. So now that we found B, we can go ahead and find the missing side AC out of this, because we already know what C is. We got it, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and do that down here. We have AC equal to 40 sine of B, which is 89.64 degrees, divided by sine of C, which was sine of C was sine of one might as well use the value of C, which is 53.36. Okay, so let's go ahead and type this thing in. 40 times, so 40 times sine of parentheses. Oops. Okay, what was the angle here? 89.64. 89.64. 80. Oops. 89.64. Close the parentheses, and then divided by, again, sine. What was the angle here? A sine of 53.36. 53.36. You close the parentheses, hit return, and this is approximately 49.85. 49.85. 49.85 units of length, whatever it is. So we have taken care of 19 and 20, and I will do the next problem in a second. Actually, we're gonna stop here. We're gonna stop here and do the rest of this thing in the final video segment.